If you want to keep your browser fast, secure, and running smoothly, updating Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check for updates in both browsers, install the latest version, and make sure everything is up to date in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's get started. First, let's update Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu with all of the browser options. From here, hover over or click Help, and then select About Google Chrome. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically start checking for updates. This is where Chrome does the work for you, so you do not need to manually search for an update button anywhere else. If Chrome is already up to date, you'll see a message confirming that. If an update is available, Chrome will begin downloading it automatically in the background. Once the download is finished, you'll see a relaunch button. Click relaunch to finish installing the update. Chrome will close and reopen, and after that, you're running the newest version. That's all it takes. A quick check through the About section is the official way to update Chrome, and it helps keep your browser secure and compatible with the latest websites and features. Now, let's move on to Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Just like Chrome, you'll want to go to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This opens the Edge settings and options menu. From there, choose Help and Feedback, and then click About Microsoft Edge. Edge will immediately check for updates automatically. Again, you do not need to manually hunt for files or download anything yourself. If your browser is already current, Edge will let you know. If there is an update available, it will download and install it automatically for you. After the update is installed, you'll see a restart button. Click Restart to apply the update and reopen Microsoft Edge. Once Edge restarts, you'll be on the latest version. This helps improve performance, fix bugs, and keep your browsing experience more stable and secure. And that's how you update both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge in just a few steps. Remember, keeping your browser updated is important because it helps protect your device, improves speed, and ensures websites load properly. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.